Welcome back to Creative Casa. Today we are embarking on a journey to transform my laundry room into a dreamy functional space that will make laundry days a breeze. Join me as we take this space from drab to fab with some incredible DIY project, clever organization ideas that and a touch of personal style. Let's get started. DIY enthusiasts and interior design lovers, and I love always dreamed of heavy laundry room that not only serve its special practical purpose but also radiate style and charm. Today I am excited to share with you the step-by-step transformation of my laundry room into a space I cannot wait to spend time in. Before diving into any makeover project, it's crucial to have a clean plan and a vision of what you want to achieve. I will take you through my inspiration and show you how I dedicate on the color scheme, layout, and overall design concept for my dream laundry room. No dream makeover is complete without some hands on DIY projects. In these sections, I will walk you through the various DIY upgrades to give my laundry room a personalized touch, from customized shelving to a stylish backsplash. You will see how these projects added character to the space. A functional laundry room needs to be well organized. I will reveal some fantastic organization hacks and storage solution that transform my laundry room into a clutter-free oasis. Say goodbye to laundry detergents, spiles, and missing socks. Now it's time to add those finishes touch that make a space truly special. I will share my selections of decor items, lighting fixtures, and other accessories that tie the entire room together and elevate its aesthetic appeal. Are you ready to see the final transformations? It's time for the big reveal. I will take you on a tour of my dream laundry room and share my thoughts and feelings about the entire makeover process. Throughout this makeover, I love learned some valuable tips and tricks that made the process smoother and more efficient. Whether it's how to tackle tricky DIY project or where to find budget-friendly decor, I believe in the power of inspiration, and I want to see this makeover has inspired you. If you have tackled your laundry room makeover or any other home improvement project inspired, I will also take you behind the scenes to see some of the fun and memorable moments from the makeover process, from unexpected challenge to light-hearted bloopers. It's all part of the journey. Are you ready to see the final transformation? It's time for the big reveal. I will take you on a tour of my dream laundry room and share my thoughts and feelings about the entire makeover process. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey to create my dream laundry rooms. I hope you find inspiration and ideas that you can use in your own home makeover project. If you found this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Creative Casa.